And so that made me think, light bulb. Hey, sweetie fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Patra.pearson Denise, produced by Zenny Production. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, and if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. Now on this channel, I talk about sneakers, luxury lifestyle, and fashion. So this is the place to be for all of that. Now, y'all know these sneakers don't cop theyself. Y'all know that already. So bonus content do come out, which is why you need to click the bell. Okay? Okay. Now, it is homecoming season. And I don't mean S-E-A-S-O-N. I mean S-Z-N. And that is period. This is for the students, the staff, okay, the alumni, and the parents, okay? It is homecoming season, so the clothes, the thighs, the sneakers, the middle part bust downs, like, it's time, y'all. We are talking about styles for the homecoming season. Now, actually, what inspired this video, my son will be going to his first homecoming dance this Saturday, and last year, with us still being at the height of the pandemic, they closed down any events like this. Actually postponed it like 3 times and then eventually just canceled it. So my son's a junior and this is his first time going to a homecoming dance because of Corona, right? So that made me think about other people who, you know, have graduated from high school, college, and they look forward to their high school or their college homecoming. And so that made me think, light bulb, let's get some looks together. We got to get the girls together. We got to keep them together. So we're going to do 4 different types of styles. We're going to do a look for the block party / parade. Then we're going to do the tailgating or the game, which is pretty much one and the same. One is just in the stadium and the other one is outside of the stadium. Also do the pep rally, which is normally that Friday before. Depending on the school you go to, it'll be indoors in like a gymnasium or outdoors on the actual stadium, okay? You got the grown and sexy, you got the after set. The students would get together and have a dance, or alumni would get together at some type of club, lounge, so on and so forth. It's giving grown and sexy. Let's just jump right into the first look. This look right here is for block party parade. So this is the look for that, okay? I'm gonna be honest, if y'all know me, this look is me. It's 100% me. The other looks for this video are me, but this is like 100% me, okay? The only thing I would have done different is a lined lip, like a chocolate brown lined lip with pink inner, and then it would have been like an ombre look. That's the only thing I would have done different. The shirt is from Nickelodeon, which I got this particular shirt from because it's Rick and Morty from Walmart. They were like $6. The pants are from Red Dolls, okay? I'm going to put the video where I reviewed that my first Red Dolls haul. I'm going to put that video right here so you guys can go and watch it. We have socks from my favorite hair store, black owned, okay? Sneakers are the Air Jordan 6 women's gold hoops, which is why I went, you know, really big but really subtle with the gold jewelry, okay? Hat, earrings, and this longer Cuban link necklace is all from Forever 21. Y'all, let's get into this pink fedora. Y'all know I like me some fedoras, but baby, this gives. Okay, this gives. And then we have this 2003 chain. This is homecoming season. 2003 is when I graduated from high school. This one is from Shein, okay? Also, we got my purse. Designer inspired by my daughters. It is not a real Louis Vuitton mini bag. Definitely fits the entirety of the vibe, okay? Now, this plaid pink and orange button-up shirt is from H&M. I'm going to put that video here when I review my first plus-size H&M haul. Get into this look, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. This look I would definitely wear to a pep rally, pep assembly. I feel like I could even button this up and make this a dress. Like, right? Actually, I did. I'm gonna put that video here. It was actually one of my first fashion videos for myself. I'm gonna put that video here. Y'all go and watch that video because that video's gonna like be 2.5 years old. Well, let's get into exactly what the attire looks like. This is a Fighting Illini graphic tee. I live in Champaign, Illinois, if you did not know. Home of the University, Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, Fighting Illini, okay? So I just tied the shirt up and tucked it under, or should I say I wrapped the rubber band around the excess material of the shirt and tucked it under, and that's what's giving the crop look. Next, I go in with these denim shorts. They have lace on the pockets in the back. They, you know, give a real cute, just spicy vibe, okay? And these are from Walmart. I actually had these for quite a few years. So y'all know if I say I'm gonna have something for quite a few years, I mean it's an oldie but goodie. Then we have the black fishnets. I don't even know why I went with the black fishnets, but it's definitely giving the outfit a total vibe. Glasses from this cute boutique in New Orleans, earrings from Shein. I chose a very simple necklace, which I got from Forever 21. Y'all know ring, watch, and Pandora bracelets is from the husband. Everything about this look. Oh wait, I forgot my hat. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Okay. Hat is from the Illini store. It's called Game Shop, as well as this shirt. If I'm gonna represent the team, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be giving vibes like this. But tailgating is giving a hint of school spirit with drizzle of style, and that's what I went with this, because I wanted you to know what school I was representing. As you can see here, this long sleeve simple t-shirt with a mascot and the school logo on it. I shouldn't say mascot, but with the school logo on it. You know, you can tell that I'm representing the school. However, you can tell that I'm real cute as well, real fly. So I went in with, this is my son's school with his school logo, and it says Chargers, and their colors are navy blue, baby blue, and white. So then I added the floral print pants, which definitely gives it color, okay? It gives it color. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it gives it color. Now I did tuck the shirt in to the shorts, so it also is gonna give you a bit more body, right? Like a bit more form, because I could have pulled it out and then it would have been, you know, bigger around, you know, my fupa. I am a plus size baddie. Tucking the shirt in gives it a bit more sleek look, a simplistic look, also a very clean look. Okay, I wanted to really bring out the lighter color, so that's why I went with a lighter boot. Also, giving that thigh high look. Listen, giving the thigh high look. The thigh high look, meaning the space in between the shorts and with the thigh high boots, you know, end at the knee, is giving sexy, okay? Or if I was going to a tailgating party, I would wear something like this. It dresses up school spirit. That's pretty much what I'm gonna say. If you did not know, these shorts are from JCPenney, size 3X. The thigh-high boots are size 9 from Shein. I'm gonna post the video I did on the review on these boots. I get so many compliments on these boots, y'all. These boots literally go with everything, especially homecoming attire. Then I paired it with this magenta fuchsia crossbody bag, and this bag has this silver detailing on it, and I'm just gonna show you that, okay? And I was like, okay, I'm gonna take that and run with it. So with the very simple cute logo team shirt, and we have this, you know, pop of floral print bottoms, I decided to go really big with the jewelry, right? We got the glasses shop Boga Boga, earrings, and this butterfly kind of bedazzle, bejewel vibe here. Those are from Forever 21. And then this particular Cuban link style chain is from Shein. I decided to pull my hair back, the top part of my hair back, so you can see my earrings, because my earrings are a very big deal. Now, this is very subtle. However, it is eye-catching. I think this is dressy enough to go to the game, but still giving school spirit. For homecoming, y'all know at every homecoming, what should I say, tailgating game, there is an after set, okay? So you got the college students with the college students, and then you got the alumni with the alumni. And sometimes you got the mix of alumni and the college students, okay? But this is giving very grown and sexy. So we got the shirt and the skirt from Boohoo. Both of these are size 3X, or should I say a 22. Actually, the skirt is a 22, the 24, the shirt is a 22. Jacket is a oldie but goodie. I'm almost sure I got this jacket from Dots. And we don't even have a Dot. So Dots and Rainbow are very similar. So that's why I got the jacket. Purse from Forever 21. Boots is from Shein. Now this little headpiece, I actually can use it as a necklace too, which I have done in several different looks. But I got this from Forever 21, as well as I told you this bag. I chose not to have a necklace because of the neckline, and the earrings I got from Former Mills in Chicago. I was really iffy about matching the prints. Now I will say this, for all of my girlies, my baddies who love a stiletto, go ahead, bust out a clear heel. Go ahead, with the length of this skirt, get a cute tie-up. A stiletto would look so good with this. And y'all always know that my accessories are interchangeable, okay? Now, if you have not subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is called Normalize Being Black, that's where I'll show you like all the details of my son homecoming, the preparation for his homecoming, and then actually get ready with him for the homecoming. So that information is in the description for that YouTube channel. However, y'all, which outfit is like your favorite? And then also I want to know, what will you have swapped? Would you have swapped the block party look for the tailgate look? After set for the pep rally? Yeah. Sweetie fam, I'm Forever Patra Denise. And y'all be sweet.